In this video, you'll learn how to use the reorder shipping method feature in Nex Reorder. We'll first explore the different sections on this page and then reorder the shipping methods so that express shipping appears before standard shipping at checkout. Let's get started. At the top, you'll find the rule name field. This is a required field. Enter a descriptive name so you can easily identify and manage your rule later. On the right is the rule status. Before saving your rule, make sure it's set to active. Next is the shipping methods section. This is where you select the shipping methods you'd like to reorder. Simply click the drop down to view your available shipping methods or start typing to search for a specific one. Once you find a shipping method, click it to add it to your rule. For this example, I'll select express shipping and standard shipping. Next is the display order section. This is where you control the order in which shipping methods appear during checkout. Nex Reorder gives you two ways to reorder shipping methods. The first option is drag and drop. Simply drag a shipping method to its preferred position in the list. If you need more precise control, click Edit Positions manually. Here you can assign a position number to each shipping method. Position 1 appears first at checkout, followed by position 2, position 3, and so on. For this example, I'll place express shipping in position 1 and standard shipping in position 2. Now let's look at the conditions section. Adding conditions is optional. If you want this order to apply only in specific situations, you can add one or more conditions here. Otherwise, you can leave this section empty, and the shipping methods will be reordered for all customers. Next Reorder provides general rules, product-based rules, and advanced and custom rules to help you create simple or advanced checkout rules. You'll also notice the condition match type. Choose all conditions pass when every condition must be true before the rule is applied. Choose any condition pass when the rule should apply if at least one condition matches. For this example, we'll leave the conditions section empty. Finally, make sure the rule status is active, then click Save. Let's test the rule. Before applying the rule, standard shipping appears first, followed by express shipping. After saving the rule, express shipping now appears first, while standard shipping moves to the second position. And that's it. You've successfully created a reorder shipping method rule. You can use the same workflow to reorder shipping methods for all customers or apply different shipping orders based on cart value, customer information, shipping location, products, collections, discounts, and many other checkout conditions with Nex Reorder.